Hello and welcome to the Other Workshop channel. Today we're turning this block of mahogany that I have a lot of into a nice simple bowl. So simple starting is the faceplate, mounting it with some screws and putting it on the lathe. Then roughing it with the roughing gouge. And this continues for quite a while, so we just skip on ahead. And as you can see, slowly but surely it becomes more and more round. And here we have it. Now it's more round, now we have the rough shape. So now, from here, we'll start making a nice, bowl-shaped taper down. And then we'll make a fixing point in the end, so we don't have to cut away a bit of the wood. We're just gonna drill a hole in the bottom that we can mount it on later. It's just a nice Forstner bit, so we can just go aggressive at a low RPM of 600. I prefer this method to where you make a cutoff, because with this type of mounting where it's internal, you can smooth out with sandpaper when you're done, and then you're done. You don't have to fiddle around with fixing the bottom of the bowl. It's done when it's done on the lathe. I often find that if you have the one that extends, you get an uneven coating of oil and wax on the bottom. Here I'm just cleaning off the edges to make sure it has a nice symmetrical edge all the way through. I go with my scraper before I start sanding because it's more aggressive and it leaves a better finish. I sanded a lot, and you guys don't have to see that because that's just a waste of time for everybody. And here I'm spraying it with cellulose sealer before I sand again with 800 grit. It gives it this nice luster. And finishing with beeswax. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the making of this little bowl. Have an amazing day.